Hi, thank you, Professor Cho and ETS, for inviting me to speak about my experiences in Singapore, in ETS, and here in Finland. My name is Natalia, and I'm from Poland. I'm living in Finland now, and I was working in ETS for 3 years and a half as a research associate. I moved to Singapore in 2015, and it was really the best decision I could make. In ETS, I met great people with amazing ideas, hardworking, motivated, and I really learned a lot from them. I participated in many different interesting projects and sometimes challenging, but that is why the work was exciting, and I got familiar with new techniques, methods in the lab, and all this knowledge and skills I'm using now, and they helped me. It helped me to find my current job. So, for example, flow cytometry that we were using in ETS in the project in which we were coating nanoparticles with different proteins and then detecting cellular uptake of the nanoparticles. So I'm using flow cytometry now, and I'm really happy that I started learning how to do it in Singapore. So I would like to take this occasion to say thank you to Professor Cho and all the group members I was working with. So thank you for all the experiences, everything I learned from you, and good memories. And I still have contact with some of the people. So this shows that we are not only like good colleagues or co-workers, we were also friends. And, you know, good relations make the work, you know, fun, you enjoy it. So even if you have to start your day at 8:30 with the morning meeting, which was a bit early to me, but yes, yeah, thank you so much. Yes, also, like before coming to Singapore, I was a bit afraid and worried because I had never been in Southeast Asia before, but it was a really great adventure and great experience. And I miss the weather and food and people. So yes, thanks so much. As I said, I'm living in Finland now, and I'm working at Institute for Molecular Medicine, Finland, FIMM, in a high throughput biomedicine unit as a laboratory coordinator for high throughput screening operations. So we are 12. I have a picture, so I can show you. Yes, so we are 12 people. Päivi is the head of our unit. Yanni is a contact person in case you wanted to use our services. Then we have people responsible from automation and compound management. We have a lot of compounds and drugs. I will talk about it in a minute. And flow cytometry. So what I'm doing, like mostly I am doing also other things, and yeah, and scientists responsible for assay development and custom projects, and bioinformaticians. So what we do is we provide a platform for chemical and siRNA-based screening. We use automated liquid handling systems. For an example, we have devices that can dispense as little as 2.5 nanoliters of liquids into wells, so quite cool equipment. And we are focused on ultra miniaturization, and we utilize the high throughput platforms. For example, in personalized and precision medicine projects, we perform ex vivo drug sensitivity and resistance testing, DSRT, in which we monitor the responses of primary patient cancer cells to our oncology drugs, to our oncology drug collections. Oncology, like the compounds are tested on the cells over a 10,000-fold concentration range to generate dose response data. So in those projects for detection, we use luminescence and fluorescence measurements and also flow cytometry. And after I joined our unit, we started setting up high throughput flow cytometry platform, and I am participating in that and in development, optimization all the time. And high throughput flow cytometry is a pretty powerful tool because it can show you specific cell populations, so you know basically what you kill with the drugs, which cells. So I can show you a typical workflow for DSRT. So we use usually 384 well plates. We administrate drugs, we add cells and incubate usually for 3 days, and then read the plates, like using luminescence or fluorescence or flow cytometry or microscopy soon. Yes, so yes, so at the time of the coronavirus crisis, we also contribute to the fight against the virus. Our drug collections and high throughput automation equipment are being used for drug repurposing and assay miniaturization for the virus-related drugs and patients' antibody screening. Our unit offers various services. I wanted to show our website. So we perform drug sensitivity and resistance testing using cells, cell lines, drugs chosen by a customer, and then we offer high throughput flow cytometry services and high throughput chemical screening. We can make plates using our drugs. We have 140,000 compounds, so it's a pretty impressive collection. Or we can use compounds sent by a customer. We like RNAi screening and assay miniaturization and multiplexing. So yes, so this is what we do. This is what I am doing. And if you have any questions or you want just talk to me without any reason, just send me an email or a message and I will answer. And thank you so much, and have a good weekend. Bye.